All right, today we're going to do a video of a Mori Seiki Nt-4300Dcg. It was new in 2007. You have a main spindle, sub spindle, articulating head with a 12,000 RPM spindle. You have a lower turret. You have a C-axis on both spindles. Main spindle is currently running at about 500 RPM. That's a Mori Seiki MSX 701 Roman numeral 3 control. Again, it's about 500 RPM on the main spindle. That's 1,000. That's 1,500. Max RPM is 3,000 RPM on both the main and the sub spindle. Currently have a chuck mounted on both the main and the sub. Switch over to the C-axis. It's a full C-axis. And we'll switch over to your articulating head. That's 3,000 RPM on the articulating head. Goes up to 12,000 RPM. You can go plus or minus 120 degrees from 0, which it's sitting at right now. That's 6,000 RPM. That's 9,000 RPM. It's a 100 tool magazine. It's Capto C6 tooling. That's your B-axis. There, we'll do a tool change. We'll do one more. Go back and get the tool. Again, Capto C6 tooling, the 100 tool magazine. Switch over to our lower turret. It's a 10 position turret. That's your Z, your X, index the turret, just got a home. Jog that out of the way. Now we'll switch over to that's your A axis or your sub spindle. You also have a full C axis on this spindle. There we go. That's 500 on the sub spindle. Again, this one also has a maximum RPM of 3,000. That's 1,000 RPM. That's 1,500 RPM, nice and quiet. Switch over to the C axis. Also has a full C. Machine has a chip conveyor, coolant system, all your manuals you can see there. Machine has a tool presetter, all your leveling pads. That just about does it. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.